Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how I came up with making a full color yard sign. DIY by myself with just help from my local print store and my local hardware store. Let's get started. Okay, so what I have here is I have a 14 by 18 piece of Coroplast with a sign stand that I got from my local hardware store. I also have 11 by 17, 2 copies of what I want to promote. And I have those laminated at my local print store, and I also have some zip ties, which you can just knock out any project you need with zip ties and duct tape. I mix them all. So that's what we're going to use. What I'm going to do on this one is I need to drill some holes. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple. It's not the most cost-effective thing, but I think it looks pretty good. And if you're on a time crunch, you can't wait around on shipping. Come on, dude. So that's it for today. See you guys next time.